Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will be doing simple equation exercise 4.3, 4.1 and 4.2 was done earlier. We are going to solve the equations. So here we are going to use the transposition method. So what is transposition method? So I will do by solving this question. So usually I will keep y on one side, the literal value on one side, 2y, okay, equal to plus 52. When it goes on the other side, it gets transformed to minus. So that will be 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So taking LCM as 2, 37 minus 5, that is 32 by 2, which is 16. Okay. Now 2y, I will keep y, and I am going to bring 2 on the other side of equal to. So this is into, it will become division. 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 8. That's the solution. Next one. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So 28 plus 28, when it goes on the other side, it becomes minus. So is equal to 10 minus 28. So 10 minus 28 is minus sign, of course, because 28 is larger, and 28 minus 10 is 18. Okay. Next question. A by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So here I have A by 5. 3 goes on the other side, becomes 2 minus 3. This is equal to minus 1. A by 5. So 5 goes on the other side, becomes into 5. That is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Okay. So the next question. Q by 4. Taking plus 7 to the other side, it will become minus. This is transposition. 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So what is the value of Q? Q, 4 goes on the other side as into. So minus 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8. Next question. So we have understood that 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. So what happens when I do x? When it goes to the other side, denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5. This will go up and this will go down. Okay, so it will become 2 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled, minus sign, minus 2. Okay. Next question. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. So x, so 25 by 4 into 2 by 5. 2, 5, 5s are 25. So this is equal to 5 by 2. Next question. 7m is equal to 13. 19 by 2 goes other side, becomes minus 19 by 2. Take the LCM as 2. So 13 to the 26 it will become, because if you take it as 2, here is 1 into 2 it will happen on either side. 26 minus 19. So what it will be? It will be 5 by 2. Sorry, it will be 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Okay. So what will be m? M is equal to 7 by 2. Fine. I said you numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So this will become 1 by 2. Okay. Next question. 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So 6z will be equal to minus 2. Plus 10 goes other side, minus 10, which is equal to minus 12. So z is equal to minus 12 by 6, which is equal to minus 2. Next question, 3L by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So I can say L is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So this is equal to 4 by 9. Next one, 2b by 3 is equal to 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. So b is equal to 8 into 3 by 2, cancelled. 4 3s are 12. Next, this kinds of question we will first try to remove the bracket. So 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So what is x plus 4? It will be 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So you see, when I have a bracket, I brought 2 the other side because this bracket is together. Got 2 to the other side, divided, did the transposition, and then solved for x. The same way I will be doing this. So n minus 5 will be 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. Next, the same thing here, n minus 5 is equal to minus 21 by 3. So there is a minus sign, minus 7. So n will be minus 7 plus 5, which is equal to minus 2. Next, same way, 2 plus x is equal to 8 divided by minus 4. So there is a minus sign, 2. And what is x? Minus 2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 4. Same way here, 2 minus x is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. So I can have it here, bring 2 on the other side. I will have minus x is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So I am multiplying both sides by minus 1. So x will be minus of 0, which is equal to 0. Minus of 0 is 0 only. Next question here. 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So I can write it. I can interchange the LHS and RHS. So if I say 4 is equal to 5p minus 2 is the same thing as 5 into p minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So now what I will do? P minus 2 is equal to 4 by 5. Now what is 2? 4 by 5 plus 2. So LCM 4, 5 into 2, 10. So the answer is 14 by 5. Next. Here also I will do the same thing. I will bring my literal part to the left hand side. So p minus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 5. So what is p? Minus 4 by 5 plus 2. LCM is 5 minus 4 plus 10, which is 6 by 5. Okay. Next question. Here we have, I can place it as 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 is equal to 16. So 3 into t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. So what is t plus 2? T plus 2 is 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. And what is t? 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Next. Here I have it in the same way, so I can do the next step. Taking 4 on the other side will become minus. So 30. P minus 1 will be nothing but 30 divided by 5, which is 6. And P will be 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Next question, we have it. I will put it in the other way as I was telling you. The literal term in the LHS and the constant in the RHS. Now what I will do, I will take 16 on the other side. 4m minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 16. 0 minus 16 is minus 16. Now what is m minus 6? Taking 4 on the other side, what do we do? Division. So which is minus 4. So m is equal to minus 6 on the other side will become plus 6 and it is 2. Okay. Now look at this question. Construct 3 equation starting with x is equal to 2. So I have one equation as x is equal to 2. I have one equation as x is equal to 2. How can I form the other equation? I can multiply 2 on either side. So what will happen? 2 into x is equal to 2 into 2. So I have 2x is equal to 4. This is one equation. Similarly, I can multiply 3 on other side. 3 into x is equal to 3 into 2, which makes 3x is equal to 6. I can multiply 4 on either side. So I get 4x is equal to 4 to the 8. Something like this. Same thing I can do here. Okay. So I can multiply 2 on either side. So 2x is equal to minus 2 into 2, which is minus 4. So what is the equation I get? 2x is equal to minus 4. First equation is x is equal to minus 2. Then the other equation is 3x is equal to minus 2 into 3, which is minus 6. So equation is 3x equal to minus 6. Another equation, okay, you can also add. So I can have this x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2. I am adding on either side. So x plus 2 will become 0. So these are the ways you can just whatever function that you do to the LHS, the same thing should be done in the RHS. That will keep the equation the same thing. Okay. Thank you.